Now go back and twirl around. Okay, now wave your wand. Wave your wand in the air. Rachel, wave your wand in the air. Say, thank you, Jody and Tata. Let me see your shoes. That's a good looking shoe there. What's in your purse? What's in your purse? Oh, okay, purses in your glasses? Alright. Alright, say, wave bye to the camera. Wave bye-bye.
She's got a purse, I didn't even notice it.